Greetings, tech warriors and traders. Today we are tackling an all too common foe, technical difficulties with noonesdotcom. But not to fear, we are armed with solution. Meet Techie Team. He is eager to trade, but oh no, noonesdotcom isn't cooperating. First, teams check his network connection. A quick glance at other websites confirms everything okay there. With the internet ruled out, it is time for the classic troubleshooter, the browser refresh. No dice, Tim clears his browser cache and cookies, hoping to swipe away any pesky digital cobweb. Still stuck, time to switch it up. Trying a different web browser might just be the key. Technology freak out. If noonesdotcom is still shy, it's possible the site is under maintenance. Here are some screenshots showing you what what you can do. In that case, patience is virtue. But fear not, for Techie Team has one more ace up his sleeve. Team checks noonesdotcom official social media and support page for any announcements. And there is it, a secure visual private network VPN connection. All mystery solved. Team now knows it's just a waiting game. Well done, Techie Team, you have outsmarted the tech GLMs once again. Remember folks, when tech troubles, try your patience, follow these steps and stay informed through official channels. And hey, why not take a break? Stretch those legs, hydrate, and rest assured that noonesdotcom will be back up before you can say boo markets. So as you can see, this is the VPN I'm using. This is proton.com. I will leave a link in the description so you can be able to install this VPN. It's free, but they have a paid plan. So once you just connect your VPN to either any country of your choice, but don't use United States. No one does not work on United States. So once you've connected your VPN, you just have to minimize and open the website. Then you reload, click on reload, and the website will open normal. Then you can be able to log in, sign in. Got your own fixes or experience to share? Drop them in the comment below and let's conquer those tech issues together. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more helpful tips and tricks. Smash the like button. Hit the like button.